Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. I'm here on the beautiful private Disney island, Castaway Cay. I am in the Cabana area on the family beach, and I'd like to take you on a tour of Cabana number 11. Let's go see. Here is private Cabana number 11. You can see here's our little walkway to all the cabanas. That's 10, 9, and 8. The music is playing. There's a changing area. And let's go look at the beautiful view. Chase lounge, chairs. Now our Cabana guests get a private section of the beach, which is really nice. So you're not with the other guests on the family beach, which makes it really private and nice. Sunscreen 50 and 30 are complimentary with your stay. There are toys for the children, floats for you, hammocks, and here is your view in Cabana number 11. This cabana is more down in the cove area. There's your ship, Disney Wonder this time. There's a private shower for you here, so when you get off the beach you can have that. Okay, and there's your complimentary water, towels, drinks, fruit, snacks, and you ring the bell here for service, and your concierge host will come, get you whatever you need. There's towels. Excellent. For your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all my Disney travels. See you real soon.